Hello everyone, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. So this is FTFT and I point this one out. I mean, there are other stocks that of course moved to like the ACY, but I point this one out because FTFT had some news in the pre-market that they bought a Bitcoin miner. Big pop in the pre-market. You can see, I mean, it closed yesterday at 626. It got all the way up to, well, this is, I think, when the market opened, all the way up to 848. All right. I actually tried to short this a couple of times in the pre-market. Modest gains for each one. I kept trying to, pick this top. Anyway, why I'm pointing this out to you is that it got halted all the way down because, and this is one of the things that really drives me crazy, is when a company announces a financing during market hours. Now, this is a China company, so I guess I have to take that into account. But nonetheless, look what happened. I mean, traders just absolutely exited. But the AI, after the halt, got into this one. I'm going to show you right here at 651 on the short, and it is still cruising down up. This will probably be, well, I don't know where it's going to stop, but I mean, it's down 9.5% from the short. So just an excellent pickup from the AI. This is after the halt also, okay? So it's not like it you had to get it right at the halt. It was about, I think, 7 minutes after it came out of the halt. So just an excellent short for the AI. And that is the stock of the day. So tomorrow is a market holiday, so we'll see you Monday morning. Open the room at 9 o'clock Monday morning. So I hope to see you then. Bye-bye.